Hey, this is Michael Kiger with Michael Kiger's Web Development Services. Here is another example of how having some basic skill with CSS, experience and knowledge of CSS, can help greatly when customizing themes and building and designing websites, especially on the front end. This is a WordPress website that I'm working on. So I set up this page in this website with this navigation bar. I set these background colors, these on hover background colors. As you see, when you hover over these navigation links, you get this light gray background color. And I wanted that in there for my client. And I set the background color right here in the theme customizer. But there's no place in the theme customizer over here to set the border radius of these on hover background colors. As you see, they're square. So square is kind of 1990s website design. It's old school. And most people like stuff rounded, like this submenu is rounded. So there was a border radius setting over here in this theme customizer for this submenu. As you see, the green submenu is rounded, but there was no place in this theme customizer to make these on hover background covers rounded. So I'm gonna get to the point here if you're still listening. And so what I did was I went over here to the page of the website and opened up the inspector console, the Chrome web developer console, and I found this block here. This is the navigation bar code block, and this AST-primary-menu-enabled is the selector that I use to target with some CSS code to make these on hover background covers rounded covers. So I'll show you the result here. If I go to additional CSS in the theme customizer here, and I already have the code in my clipboard, and I add this code in, you see right here is the selector for that navigation bar, and then I added this on hover border radius code, CSS code, and the result was nice rounded on hover background colors. They came out rounded instead of square. And there is a way to adjust the width, height, and padding to make these a little smaller, the ovals here a little smaller. But if I add that in, it makes the elements jump around when you hover over them. So I decided not to have that effect. I just wanted the background color and I wanted them rounded. So this simple bit of CSS here made that happen in a situation where otherwise, if I had not have had any CSS skills or knowledge or experience, I wouldn't have been able to accomplish this. Michael Kiger. You can contact me or find me on my web developer profile website at michaelkiger.net and contact me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.